Hello students, welcome in semester 2. In semester 2 we are going to study the subject BCC. BCC stands for Business Communication with Computers. The course code is 22009. And in this course, let us get oriented about what this course is all about. The first thing is the rationale of this subject. The rationale of this course cum subject is that any organization that functions very smoothly based on the communication. And that is how the rationale of this particular subject is that you need to communicate. In order to have good function of any organization that you are going to work in, you need to communicate. And based on this rationale, the competency that is designed for this course cum subject is that the engineers or the students should be able to communicate effectively at workplace. And based on this competency, there are some outcomes set in this particular syllabus. Number one is that every engineer should be able to communicate by avoiding the barriers of communication. Every engineer should be able to communicate effectively by using 7 principles of effective communication. Every communicator or every engineer should be able to write proper reports. Every engineer should be able to prepare presentation and deliver presentations. Every engineer should be able to write good emails, professional emails and professional letters. So based on these outcomes, certain practicals that have been set and designed, more than 12 practicals we need to perform. Based on this, let me tell you first of all the marking scheme of this subject BCC. BCC subject is for 50 marks, and out of 50 marks, 35 marks are for end semester examination of practical. Out of these 35 marks, 20 marks for your typing, drafting and writing. So for 10 marks, you would be drafting maybe a resume or job application letter or something which will be discussed throughout the semester. And for 10 marks, you need to write. And remaining 15 marks, I'm talking about end semester examination or practical, remaining 15 marks, you need to appear for oral examination. In oral examination, any question based on the syllabus of BCC would be asked. The rest of the 15 marks, 9 marks for progressive assessment of practical. In progressive assessment of practical, you would be assigned 12 practicals to perform and note down or record or write down, and you need to submit one PDF copy of it. If due to pandemic COVID, if we are supposed to go through online mode only, then you need to submit a PDF copy of 9 for 9 marks, 12 practicals you need to submit the PDF copy of, and for 6 marks you need to submit your micro project. Previously we have already done it in semester 1. So this is what the orientation of the subject BCC is. BCC stands for Business Communication Using Computers. Using computers means you need to have the good speed of how to type. You need to know how to draft the things. You need to know the spacing. You need to know where to use the capital letters, where to use small letters. You need to know the formalities of drafting, and that's why with computers this is what is expected. Actually, with language lab you are supposed to perform this particular subject BCC, and we do have good language lab in our college, but due to this pandemic situation you guys cannot come, and that's why there is a problem. But let us do whatever we can do through this online mode, and I hope that my instructions will be followed by you sincerely, and similarly this subject will be enjoyed if you follow the instructions and respond the way I expect. I wish you good luck. Thank you.